Now, on the basis of my racial, biological looks, I would be discriminated by Caucasoid race. Hello friends, today we are going to have a discussion on very interesting topic, race and racism. So, is race a biological concept or it is a social one? What is race? So, if we see the definition of race, it denotes certain types of physical traits. आपके स्ट्रेचर के ऊपर, आपके स्किन कलर, योर हेयर टाइप, बॉडी टाइप, your cephalic indexes, your nasal indexes would decide that which type of race you are. Whether you are Caucasoid race or you are Negrito race or Mongoloid or Australoid. These are four major races and then we have sub races among these four races. Now, racism is a social concept. It is being constructed by humans on the basis of some sort of phenotypes, the looks. And racism is creating inequalities between different races. But we do have a lot of debate on this topic. Okay? You would see that most of the scientists also reject this theory that there is no biological concept also of race which we can define on the basis of evidences. क्योंकि आपका हर रेस में कहीं ना कहीं इंटरमिंगलिंग रहती ही है. सो ये कुछ ऐसे टॉपिक हैं जिसपे आप डिबेट्स शो कर सकते हैं, राइट? सो विल ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन ऑन द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ रेस. ओके, सो यू कैन सी दैट हाउ बिकॉज ऑफ योर जेनेटिक मेकअप वी लुक डिफरेंट, राइट? देन वी कैन talk about race in two manners, biologically and socially, as I have explained. Now, biologically it is skin color, facial features, hair textures and experiences, right? Social norms, attitudes, beliefs, behaviors, that ethnocentrism. Okay, so let's just say I belong to Australoid race and I'm living in Australia. Now, on the basis of my racial, biological looks, I would be discriminated by Caucasoid race. This is racism. Okay? So, this is the two major ways where we can talk about race. Now, historically, anthropology has occupied a central place in the construction and reconstruction of race as both an intellectual device and social reality. Now, you need to refer good content. So, this is by Harrison, and in his book, Race and Reality, he is giving this point. Now, critiques of the biological concept of race have led many anthropologists to adopt a no-race posture and an approach to intergroup difference, highlighting ethnicity-based principle of classification and organization. However, the singular focus on ethnicity has left unaddressed the persistence of racism and its individual impact on local communities. Right? So, this is what we see with the concept of race. Now, race is one of those terms which are used with a variety of meanings, right? As I have discussed, then you can see a lot of definition of race. For example, Penniman have explained it as a genetic class in which there are many indefinite and mutually related genetic characteristics. This is what he has explained. So, we do have two debates on it. Race as a biological concept. So, they are biologically inherited along with such physical characteristics as eye, skin and hair color. So, here you can see we are talking about that how race is a biological concept. Okay, so some writers are of the opinion that race is based hereditary because races have been largely intermixed. So, the term we use in genetic sense. And then we do have another concept, social concept of race. Okay, the use of the term race is common in all facets of society. What is meant by race in this context, however, is very different from the biological notions. So, notions of race as continuously distributed human population whose allelic variations vary clinically. Okay, so race is a social and political construction created to categorize individuals based on physical characteristics and give power and access to white people. So this is what we would say. Now this is Theodosius Dobzhansky, how he is arguing that race is a biological concept. So you can refer to his points in your answers. Then we do have Ashley Montagu, and he's against this. So he says the fallacy of race. So in this lecture, I have explained that how with the concept of race and racism, UPSC and anthropology have asked question. So you need to see that race is a biological concept in modern science. Racism is a social construction. Okay. However, to have evidences to know that how we have got different races, it is not significant. It is not scientifically proved. Now, the core point here is that we all have evolved from single cell, and then we have become multicellular organisms. So, the concept of race and racism is supporting the idea or the concept of cultural relativism and rejecting ethnocentrism. Thank you.